Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So we have questions about converting between grams and moles. So first question is asking, what is the mass in grams of 4.3 moles of aluminum? So we have the moles right here that's provided, and they are asking to find the mass in grams. So this is the question. So let's see how we can find it. So first of all, we know that mass is the thing we have to find. So to do this one, we have to know the molar mass of aluminum. So let's say capital M is molar mass, and molar mass is a mass of aluminum you can find from periodic table, and usually in this kind of question they will be provide those things, and that is 26.98 gram per mole. And from these units we can get an idea whether we have to multiply or divide, because final answer we have to get the gram and mole is provided. So what's gonna be the situation? And you can clearly see if I multiply this mole by this one, this mole cancels, and that's gonna be a weight as a result, right? So when we multiply them together, so that's a clue to find the mass. So we know that mass is going to be simply multiplication of these two things. So 26.98 gram per mole multiplied by 4.30 mole, and mole cancels, and if you calculate this value, this one comes out to be 116 gram, and that's the answer for the first question. The second question is asking how many moles in 127.5 grams, so mass is provided, of sodium chloride. So this is related to molar mass, and we have to find the moles. So we have to rearrange this equation. So let's say m is equal to, so we know this equation, m is equal to n times capital M. N is I am referring to as moles. So n times molar mass of the atoms and n times molar mass. So now they are asking to find the mole. So n is going to be equal to m over capital M. So we have to know the molar mass of NaCl. We can find it from the periodic table. Na is going to be, molar mass of Na is 22.99 gram per mole, and molar mass of Cl is equal to 35.45 gram per mole. Since sodium chloride has one sodium, one chlorine, we simply have to add these two together, and if we add them together, that gives us 58.44 gram per mole, right? That's the addition gives us, and now all I have to do is simply substitute in this equation. So let's do this. N is equal to m that is provided, 175.5 grams divided by 58.44 gram per mole, and if you calculate this one gives us 2.182 mole, and that's the final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.